Is OneDrive messing with your files? How to get your Windows storage under control. Basically, what they're saying is, if you're not paying attention, all of your stuff that are stored on your computer, personal files wise, will end up on OneDrive. So go find the article and read it for yourself. I'll include the link in the description. If you got a brand new computer, here's what you do. First, go into the caret, find your OneDrive, and quit. Next, go into your control panel. Now, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, it's going to be roughly the same. So you're going to go here and you're going to find in Programs and Features. You're going to find OneDrive, right-click it, uninstall. That will take OneDrive off of your computer. Once OneDrive is uninstalled, you go into your File Explorer, you go into local disk, you go into Users, you go into Yours, you'll find the OneDrive folder, you highlight everything, you do right-click copy, or cut, I'm sorry. You go back to your C drive, back to Users, go into your account and do right-click paste. And that will move your files back to where they're supposed to go. Once your files have been moved, find the OneDrive folder, right-click, and trash can it. This way it's not there anymore. A lot of brand new computers come pre-installed not only with OneDrive, but also other things. So let me show you. So again, go back to your control panel, go into Programs and Features, and if you see things like Google Drive, uninstall it. Same concept, then go to your Drive folder and move the files as necessary. And if you have Dropbox, uninstall it. Same thing, once you've uninstalled it, go and move the files out of the Dropbox folder and into their appropriate folders as needed.